Red leather, yellow leather.
Red, yellow.
You try it, Harley. Red leather, yellow leather.
Red, yellow. Red, yellow.
Hi, welcome back to Cooking with the Keesters. I'm Jared.
I'm Jude. I'm Harley.
And today we're going to be making Khachapoopy. How do you say it?
Khachapoopy.
That's not it. How do you say it?
Khachapoopy.
Well, what do we call it?
Cheese flats. Cheese flats.
Cheese flats.
Cheese
A traditional Georgian dish. Now, where is Georgia? Ah! Georgia, let's see. It's here we are, right here, and then woo, all the way over here.
With turkey.
So, what does the little T mean?
Tablespoon. Teaspoon.
Teaspoon, big T,
Tablespoon.
tablespoon. Okay, so we're gonna dump all our ingredients in here. So, first thing, I need 1 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. Not the salt. Gross. Dry yeast. Now what does yeast do?
Make it so humongous.
What is yeast? Anybody know?
That stuff.
It is this stuff, yeah.
It's salt.
Yeast is a...
Salt. Poop.
Did we say it's a bacteria?
Bacteria.
Fact check. We'll put that right over here, whatever yeast is. I feel like it's a bacteria. There we go.
It's not nebrous.
Ah.
Ew!
Oh man, look at that. That is right at a cup. Check the meniscus. Science. One
Pour that
cup?
thing in.
Looks good? Alright, pour it in there.
Oh, disgusting.
Oh wait. Wait, it says combine heat, water, and milk to 115 degrees. Whoops!
Whoops! With the exclamation point.
We gotta start over. 5.
2 more.
2 more. Alright, nice.
Everybody wash their hands, right?
I'm gonna go do them. See ya!
So let's see what we got next. Begin combining the dough with the hook attachment. Pour in the dry ingredients. Alright, here we go. We're pouring it in.
To make the dough.
To make the dough. And this goes... Yeah, look at that! Piece of cake.
Captain Hook.
Okay, Captain Hook.
Captain Hook is gonna spin it.
Okay. Now,
We go too fast.
pour that thing in. Lock it. Okay, and then... Hey, look at that! We're doing it. I gotta say, guys, I'm really hooked on this dough.
That daddy joke.
Tough room. Scraping the sides down. Getting all that dough.
And then we gotta put, what is that? Flour on our hands.
What's happening when it's rising up and getting puffy?
Farting.
What's farting?
The yeast.
They get the dough bigger because they're making what kind of gas?
So,
Carbon
dioxide.
dioxide, right. But we need to oil this bowl, so
Oh, I'm doing it.
pour it a little bit on the sides and then spread it around in that bowl. That's good. All right, I'll spread it all around.
Me?
Yeah.
With my hand?
Mm-hmm.
Bare hand?
Yep.
Messy.
All on the sides, too.
You get he gets to lick
There
his
you go.
hands after that.
Oh, yeah.
Don't even smell it.
Mm,
You gotta wash your hands.
definitely. Doesn't it smell good?
It smells super good.
Okay, so our timer is up and we've let it proof for 1 hour. And it's gotten a little bit bigger, but now we're gonna push it down with our hands.
Like this. Push.
while they are cleaning up, we've pressed our dough down. Now we're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it proof for 30 more minutes.
Wow, that's a lot. Yep. Holy
Whoa.
shoot.
So now we're gonna take our dough and get it out of our proofing bowl. We're gonna put it on a floured surface. Is our surface floured?
Yep, yes. Oh, yay!
All right. Moment of truth. Oh, baby, look at that.
Yeah.
Huh? All right, shall we?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, so good.
it's so good. What's not to like?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Well, this is your piece, right? I'm gonna do just one more little fish on this. Mmm. All right, what do we want to say?
Make sure to like and subscribe and watch more. Out there and get cooking.
There you go. Let's do it together. Ready?
Get
out there and get cooking. That's our episode right there.
That's a wrap.